DACA Dreamers moving forward. This is Immigration Attorney Parviz Malakouti, and DACA is back. Most of you guys already know that there was a court decision earlier this month that resulted in a ruling ordering Department of Homeland Security to open up DACA again for first-time applicants. So it's obviously fantastic news. Now, many of you already have DACA, some of you don't have DACA, but pretty much all of the dreamers in this group, most dreamers I would say, know somebody who is DACA eligible but has not applied for DACA before. Okay, so these would be potential people that are affected by this new ruling opening up DACA for first-time applicants. With this video, I want to send a quick message regarding anybody who is considering applying for DACA for the first time that had any brush with the law in the past. If you are considering applying for DACA for the first time and you've had any brush with the law, you want to consult with an immigration attorney at the very least, and possibly even have an immigration attorney represent you in the application. Now, what do I mean exactly when I say brush with the law? I'm talking about three basic categories. The first is if you've ever been convicted of any crime, okay, felony or misdemeanor. The second is if you've ever been arrested for anything, even if that arrest did not result in any conviction. The third thing is if you've ever been given a ticket that was not a traffic violation, that was not a minor traffic violation. If you've ever been given a ticket, you want to consult an immigration attorney. Why? Not all tickets are traffic violations. Some tickets in some states are infractions. These are other types of crimes that are given by a ticket. It's something that could potentially raise an issue for you as a first-time DACA applicant. Not saying necessarily it will preclude you from qualifying, but it's enough of an issue that you should consult with an immigration attorney if you have one of those three circumstances that affects you. Now, why is it the case? Remember, when you submit an application for DACA for the first time, you're coming on the radar of USCIS potentially for the first time in your life. You're submitting your personal information about your life, your education, where you live, your work, etc., to immigration. So you're coming on the radar. So if you are in a position where there's a good chance you're going to be denied DACA and you're going to submit your information, it might be better for you to not actually submit that information. So again, these are the types of things that you want to talk about when you speak to an immigration attorney, a qualified immigration attorney, about your situation. So you can contact a private immigration attorney. There are many fantastic nonprofits that are also doing work for DACA, for initial DACA applicants, at least doing consultations. And especially if you're somebody that is low income, if you don't make that much money, I would recommend that you try the nonprofit route first, see if you can get anybody to help you. And if not, contact a private immigration attorney for a consultation. That's it. Last thing I'll say is if you are not in my group, DACA Dreamers Moving Forward on Facebook, I highly recommend you join. It's open to all dreamers and close family members of dreamers. We share this information about, news, tips, strategies, things like that. So that's it. Have a great one and good luck.